Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay videos on LinkedIn. So for this you have to go for your LinkedIn account, then go for this profile icon over here and just click on this drop down option and go for settings and privacy. Okay, after that you have to just a little bit scroll down and you can see here autoplay videos, which is turned on now. So click on it and just turn it off. Now go back. So it's off now. So this is how you can turn on this annoying autoplay videos on LinkedIn. So hope this video helps you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.